Keto Las Vegas. Keto Las Vegas. Keto Las Vegas. It's a sweet time to be in Las Vegas.
All right, let's get started on this amazing keto cheesecake, New York style, that is. We're going to make the crust first. 1 cup almond flour, dash of salt, 2 tablespoons of sweetener. I use truvia. 2 tablespoons of melted butter, dash of vanilla. And get in there with your little mixer there. And you're going to mix this up. It's going to be kind of crumbly, and that's what you want. Get that all mixed up nice. I'm using 2 little boats to make 2 servings of these cheesecake, or you can use 1 spring-loaded round cheesecake. Just going to put half in each one. Use a spoon and spread it out. Mush it down nice and flat, just like that. And it works real easy. And before you know it, you've got perfect little bottoms ready to go. We're going to put these in the oven at 350 degrees for between 6 and 7 minutes, just to get those cooked and crisp. And with the magic of video, boom, they're done. Let's take them out. Perfect. Look at that. Now we're going to set those aside, let those cool, and work on our cheesecake. 1 room temperature 8-ounce package of Philly cream cheese. And I'm using my KitchenAid. If you don't have that, use your hand mixer. There we go. 1 egg, room temperature. Nice dash of vanilla, dash of salt. And we'll whip that up real good. Then we're going to come back with 2 tablespoons of sour cream and 2 tablespoons of truvia non-sugar sweetener. And we'll turn our mixer back on, let it go, and then come back lastly with 1 dash of lemon juice. Whisk it all up, nice and creamy like that. Put that right on top of our cheesecakes, crusts. And then we'll spread this out nice and smooth. And then this is going to go back into the oven at 3 1/4 for between 18 and 22 minutes, depending on your oven. Mine was about 20 minutes. You don't want to go in so long that it starts to pull away from the sides. That's overdone. You want to be still jiggly when you take it out of the oven. So you got to keep an eye on it, make sure you don't go too long. Less is more, I guess, in this case. Anyways, once these come out of the oven, we have 1 more layer to put on top. So we'll get these cooked, and we'll pull it out, and you want to put that second layer on while these cheesecakes are still warm. Look at that, beautiful. All right, so let's get started on that. 1 cup sour cream. And this we're just going to mix by hand, by the way. We're not going to use the mixer again. Again, a dash of vanilla. About 1.5 tablespoons of truvia. And that's it. Just mix that up real good. Get it as smooth as you can. And then we're just going to put that right on top of the cheesecake. Oh, these are going to be delicious. And we'll spread those out as best we can. There we go. Give them a little jiggle, a little tap. Get them nice and flat and smooth. Then we're going to pop these back in the oven at 350 for about 5 minutes. And then we'll pull those out. Let everything get room temperature. And once everything is room temperature, then back into the oven, back into the refrigerator for at least 2 to 4 hours before you serve. You want it nice and cold and chilled. And that's it. These came out amazing. You couldn't tell the difference between New York style cheesecake with all the sugar and these without the sugar. So make them. And remember, come back every Sunday, Wednesday for new videos.
Keto, Las Vegas. It's a sweet time to be in Las Vegas. And Buzz Cooks is bringing all the sweets today. We're talking New York style cheesecake, no sugar, just those authentic Big Apple flavors. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Buzz Cooks. New videos every Sunday and Wednesday. Hit that bell so you never miss the flavor train.